Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the Dream 11 IPL match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders guys. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel. So guys, like every day, even yesterday also, our teams have performed extremely well in the Grand League as well as Small League guys. So guys, yesterday there is no changes. Whatever the team I have explained in the video, the team only performed very well, like extremely well in the Grand League. So guys, we can see this is the team which I have given yesterday for Grand League as well as for Small League. So guys, we have given Virat Kohli as captain and Steve Smith as vice captain. Along with this, Chris Morris, Ben Stokes, Yuzi Chahal, Jaydev Unadkat, Karthik Tyagi, AB de Villiers and Josh Butler. So guys, instead of Jaydev Unadkat, rest all have performed extremely well and we have got 639 points guys. So guys, those who have joined Grand Leagues as well as Small Leagues with this team, believe me guys, this is one side match. Our team have clean swept all the contests. So guys, please like and subscribe the channel for more upcoming teams, for more upcoming like good teams and winning teams guys. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about like the pitch statistics, technical analysis for game between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders guys. Along with this guys, we are going to discuss about Dream 11 team for Grand League as well as for Small League guys. So guys, after that we are going to discuss about a team for Fan Fight guys. So guys, basically Fan Fight is also like fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11, where we'll be having variety of contests like head-to-head contest, mega contest, iPhone 11 gadget pool. Along with this also guys, we'll be having contest for champion, last man standing and all guys. So guys, I will be mentioning Fan Fight invite link in description. You guys may please download that link and use that link guys. So guys, and also we have a Facebook group like Dream 11 Prediction. I will be mentioning Facebook group link also in the description. Please join that Facebook group guys, since the final team will be updated in Facebook group guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about technical analysis for today's game. So guys, basically this is a match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders guys. So guys, this match is played in a stadium which is known as Abu Dhabi guys. And also guys, this match the timing is 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time guys. So guys, this is the pitch and weather report for today's game. Pitch is good for batting and is bit slow. Like pitch is initially in the first 10 overs the pitch will support for batting guys. After 10 overs like pitch is bit slow and it may be bit helpful for bowlers compared to batsmen guys. And also guys, a score of 150 plus is going to be tough for chasing side. Yes, if the score is more than 150 then it may be tough for chasing side guys. So guys, weather is clear, there is no chances of rain and temperature is expected to stay above 35 degrees centigrade guys. So as usual, there is no chances of rain in Dubai and temperature is above 35 degrees centigrade only guys. So guys, this is the probable playing 11 for Sunrisers Hyderabad as well as for Kolkata Knight Riders. So guys, for Sunrisers Hyderabad, David Warner will open the innings along with Johnny Bairstow guys, followed by Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, Priyank Garg, and also we may see one change guys, Virat Singh or Vijay Shankar. Like most probably this match Virat Singh may replace Vijay Shankar guys, followed by Shahbaz Nazim, Rashid Khan, Sandeep Sharma, Khalil Ahmed, Natarajan guys. So guys, coming to Kolkata Knight Riders side, we have Rahul Tripathi and Shubman Gill as opener guys, followed by Nitish Rana, Ian Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andre Russell, and also we may see one change guys, Lockie Ferguson may replace Chris Green. So guys, then Pat Cummins, Shivam Mavi, Varun Chakravarti and Prasidh Krishna guys. So guys, Pat Cummins is nice option for captain vice captain, since in last match he scored 50 runs also guys and also taken 2 wickets guys. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in T20 international guys. We have total of 44 matches played, out of which batting first have won 19 games guys and batting second have won 25 games. So guys, the average score in first innings is 148 and highest score is like 225 guys and lowest total is 66.9. So guys, the highest score chased is 166 and lowest score defended is 129 runs guys. So guys, based on this we may predict like this is also going to be a high scoring game like yesterday guys. So guys, coming to pitch statistics in IPL 2020, we have total of 11 matches played guys, out of which batting first have won 6 and batting second have won 5 game, guys. And there is no tie, guys. So guys, coming to highest total, we have 195 and lowest total is 136, guys. And also guys, highest score defended is 162 and lowest score defended is 162. So guys, based on these statistics, like any team may win, like batting first or batting second may win. But guys, this is also going to be a high scoring game, as we can see as per the statistics, guys. And also guys, there is no tie in particular venue, guys. So guys, this is the news for Sunrise Hyderabad. Like Sunrise Hyderabad haven't been extremely performed well, but it is an average performance in the tournament, guys. Like they have played 8 matches so far with 3 wins and last 5 matches, guys. And also guys, like they are in 5th position of points table. Sunrise Hyderabad have lost their match against Chennai Super Kings by margin of 20 runs, guys. And also David Warner is leading run scorer for Sunrise Hyderabad, while Rashid Khan is leading wicket taker for Sunrise Hyderabad. And also guys, as discussed, Virat Singh may replace Vijay Shankar in today's game. So that is the only change we may expect from Sunrise Hyderabad, guys. So guys, this is the news coming from Kolkata side. The performance of Kolkata Knight Riders is also average in the tournament. We may have not witnessed the result show still. And also guys, they are placed at 4th position in the points table. So recently, like Kolkata Knight Riders have faced a huge defeat against Mumbai Indians, guys. So guys, Shubman Gill is the leading run scorer for KKR and Andre Russell is the leading wicket taker for KKR, guys. So guys, we may expect like Lucky Ferguson may get chance in place of Chris Green for today's game, guys. So guys, this is the last 5 match record for Sunrise Hyderabad as well as Kolkata Knight Riders. Sunrise Hyderabad have lost 3 matches out of 5, guys, while Kolkata Knight Riders also lost 3 matches out of last 5 matches, guys. So guys, this is the head-to-head between like Sunrise Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders, guys. We have total of 18 matches played, out of which Sunrise Hyderabad have won 11 games and Kolkata Knight Riders have won 7 games, guys. So guys, based on this, like Sunrise Hyderabad is going to be favorite in this game, guys. So guys, coming to topic players, these are the topic players for today's game. We have David Warner, who is extremely batting well in the tournament, followed by Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson, Rashid Khan, Andre Russell, Rahul Tripathi and Shubman Gill, guys. So guys, even Shubman Gill also batting extremely well. He scored 21 games in last match, 34-57, guys. And also guys, even Rahul Tripathi is also scoring very well. He scored 36-81 and many more, guys. So guys, coming to Russell, he is like scoring 1 or 2 runs and taking 1 or 2 wickets in every game, guys. And also guys, coming to Kane Williamson, he is also batting extremely well. And also guys, coming to Johnny Bairstow, he is keeping wickets and he is hitting century, half centuries and all. And so David Warner, guys, he is also like scoring 50s whenever the team needed. So he is also a nice option for captain and vice captain, guys. So guys, let's go and build a Dream 11 team. So guys, let me create a team first. So guys, in this video initially we are going to build a Dream 11 team for small league, guys, and after that we will build a team for grand league. So guys, in the wicket keeping section we have 2 options. Like guys, we have Johnny Bairstow and Dinesh Karthik. We have 2 options in the wicket keeping section, guys. We can go with any of the one option. So guys, for the small league I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow as my wicket keeper, guys. And also guys, in the batting section we have plenty of options, like we have David Warner, Shubman Gill, Ian Morgan, Manish Pandey, Nitish Rana and all, guys. So guys, for the small league I'll be going with David Warner, Shubman Gill, Ian Morgan. Along with this, guys, I'll be going with Manish Pandey for my team. So these are the 4 batting options for small league for my team, guys. So guys, coming to all-rounder section, we have only like 2 options, like we have Abhishek Sharma and we have Andre Russell. So guys, I'll be going with Andre Russell for all-rounder section, guys. And also guys, there is no update on Sunil Narine comeback yet, guys. So guys, coming to bowling section, we have plenty of options, guys. We have Rashid Khan, we have Cummins, we have Khalil Ahmed, who is bowling extremely well. we have Sandeep Sharma, and we have Natarajan, guys. So guys, then here I'll be going with Rashid Khan, Pat Cummins, Natarajan. Along with these guys, I'll be going with. We may also try Varun Chakravarti. He is also a nice option, guys. Khalil Ahmad, guys, and also along with Khalil Ahmad, I'll be going with Natarajan. Not Natarajan. Khalil Ahmad, Natarajan, Rashid Khan. So guys, we may also have plenty of options, like in the all-rounder section we have Andre Russell, and also we may, like in the batting section also we have plenty of options, guys. So guys, in the batting section, instead of Ian Morgan, we may also try with Rahul Tripathi, guys, who is also a nice option, and he is also opening for Kolkata Knight Riders, guys. And in the all-rounder section, I will be going with Andre Russell, guys. So guys, in the bowling section, I will be going with Rashid Khan, Pat Cummins, Khalil Ahmad. Along with these guys, I will be going with Sandeep Sharma and Prasidh Krishna, guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain, we have plenty of options, like we have David Warner as captain, Johnny Bairstow as vice captain, Bairstow as captain, David Warner as vice captain, Shubman Gill is a nice option for captain or vice captain, and also Andre Russell, guys. So guys, in this team I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow as captain and Shubman Gill as vice captain, guys. So guys, this is a team basically for small leagues. So guys, let's go and build a team for Grand League as well, guys. So guys, in the batting section as usual we have three options, like we have Johnny Bairstow, we have Dinesh Karthik. So guys, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow even for Grand League as well. And coming to batting section, guys, for Grand League I'll be going with David Warner, Shubman Gill, Nitish Rana. Along with this guys, I'll be going with Manish Pandey as well. So guys, and in the all-rounder section we have plenty of options, but I'll be going with Andre Russell as the main option, guys. So guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with Rashid Khan, Khalil Ahmad, guys, who is also a nice option, and also guys, Sandeep Sharma is also a nice option, guys. And also Shivam Avi is also a nice option. Along with this guys, even Prasidh Krishna is also a nice option. Kamlesh Nagarkot is also a nice option. Varun Chakravarti is also a nice option, guys. So guys, I'll be going with Varun Chakravarti, guys. So guys, these are the 5 bowlers which I am going, guys. So it's instead of this, like instead of Manish Pandey, we may also go with Pat Cummins, guys, since Cummins is also a nice option. Since Cummins can bat and bowl as well, so I'll be going with Cummins, guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain, guys, I'll be going with David Warner as captain for Grand League, guys, and Rashid Khan as vice captain for the Grand League, guys. So guys, basically this is a team for Grand Leagues. So guys, after the task, you guys may choose your captain and vice captain wisely as mentioned in the video. So guys, let's go and build a Dream 11 team for fan fight as well. So guys, in the batting section we have 3 options, like we have Johnny Bairstow and we have Dinesh Karthik. So guys, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow in the batting section, guys. And also guys, in the batting section I'll be going with David Warner, Shubman Gill, Manish Pandey. Along with this guys, I'll be going with Rahul Tripathi, guys. So guys, in the all-rounder section I'll be going with Andre Russell, and in the bowling section, guys, I'll be going with Rashid Khan, Pat Cummins, Khalil Ahmed, Sandeep Sharma, and we have two options, guys. We have Shivam Avi, we have Prasidh Krishna, and we have Varun Chakravarti. I'll be going with Shivam Avi, guys. I'll be going with Varun Chakravarti, guys. So, guys, coming to captain and vice captain, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow as captain and Shubman Gill as vice captain, guys. So, guys, let us have a team preview. So, guys, this is the team for Grand League as well as Small League in Fan Fight, guys. So, guys, before closing the video, please like and subscribe the channel and also share the video, guys. So, guys, thanks for watching, guys.